Here we are, kid, room 203 at the Hilton Garden Inn in wonderful Bowling Green, Kentucky. Let's step in and take an immediate left. We will start our tour today in the bathroom facilities. So we have the tub, decently clean. Tile work is nice. Ceiling's good. Plenty of towels. Don't love that they're in the shower, but whatever. I'm only here one night, so I don't care. We have the shower head, adjustable. And we go over here at the normal Neutrogena toiletries here at Hilton's. So we go on over to here. We do have a hair dryer. In the closet, we have plenty of hangers, ironing board, iron. Nothing out of the ordinary. You will notice they have the laminate wood flooring. Sorry about that. But laminate wood flooring, it's a little bit different, you know, than the normal carpet that we see in most hotels. So they do have a Keurig, and they gave us 2 regular, 1 decaf, and a tea. They do have 2 bottles of water. So anybody that stays at Hilton's or has any amount of time really, and or has a Hilton credit card, you can get those for free. The other people, $3 a piece. So mini fridge here, tiny little freezer there. Then we do have a microwave here as well. Moving along, we have the beds. In this case, it's 2 queens. We have some outlets over there and a USB over here, as well as outlets on the clock. TV, I have not turned it on. I know you love that, so I'll work on that. But for the time being, while I'm waiting on that, we do have the desk lamp, some outlets there, another light here. No outlets on that, but do have plenty of light. The furnace unit there is controlled on the wall over there. And the TV, not exactly what you want to see, but it is the Weather Channel. Picture's nice, so can't argue too much there with that. I'll pick another random channel just to see what that looks like. C-SPAN too, of course. Here we go, ESPN, solid picture. So last thing, outside, this room has a beautiful view of the dumpster. I just picked up this room today, so maybe that's why I got this one. But out there you can see there's some restaurants over in that way, along with some other regular office buildings and whatnot. So there you have it. That's the tour.